My name is Megan Norstrud, and my U number is U014276626. I'm enrolled in Computers and Business with Professor Walpole, and I'm currently majoring in biomedical sciences. A little fun fact about me is that I love to bake. So let's get started with this analysis graph. This is the analysis graph of net income versus revenue. And as you can see, the revenue is steadily increasing over the 13-week period. And revenue is basically the profit that you make without having to take out any taxes or any other costs. And this net income, which is this blue line down here, it also increases over time. And it goes from kind of being in the negatives to the positive over the period of week 7 to week 8. And the net income is the profit made after taxes and other costs are taken out of it. On the y-axis here, we have the value, which is the money in this case. And on the x-axis, we have the weeks labeled all the way 1 to 13. And up in here in the right-hand corner, we have the key that tells you that the blue is the net income and the orange is the revenue. And on the second slide, we have another graph that shows the comparison between revenue and cups sold. And the blue bars are the cups sold, and over the 13-week period, that constantly changes. And you can see that week 12, we have the most cups sold, only by a few. And the orange line is the revenue, which changes every week. With, you can see like the jagged edge, that means it changes every week. And at week 12, we have the most revenue made, but at week 13, it does decrease quite a lot. And this could be because during week 12, we sold a lot of large and small cups, and that made up a lot of more money because larges do cost more. And during week 12 or 13, we sold medium and small cups, which still would have created the amount of cups sold similar, but it would have created a lesser value of money created. And on the left y-axis, we have the cups sold, which is associated with the blue bars. And on the right, we have the revenue, which is associated with the orange line. And on the x-axis, we have the weeks. And on the final graph, it shows the competitors' sales, and it compares them to ours. Ours is the yellow line, which is for Beans and Cream Cafe. And as you can see at the end, our revenue was only $61,958, while something like Caffeine Kick, they made $161,536, which is quite significantly more than ours. But still, in the beginning, you can see we kind of all started in the same area. By week 4, we kind of all dispersed, but Caffeine Kick kind of dispersed at week 2, which kind of means that they made decisions that kind of helped them financially decide better of how to create more income for them. So, and then we have on this last slide, which is the dashboard, I put all 3 of the different comparison charts to show that even though over time we did increase in revenue and we did have an increase in net income anyways, we just didn't do as well as other companies and businesses did with their cafe sales. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was informative.